Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we will solve this interesting questions. So let's solve it. Solution. So a square root of 4 to the power of m, which is equals to 1024. It can be written as 4 to the power of m, the power of 1 over 2, which equals to 1024. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 2m 1 over 2, which is equals to 10 to 4. So this cancel divide this. So we left 2 to the power of m, which is equals to 1024 means 2 to the power of 10. To the power of 10. So look at it. We have the same basis. If we have the same basis, we can equate the exponents. So m can be written as 10. So the value of the variable m is 10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos.